folks, JD here, and today we've got this. This is the Holy Stone HS210, otherwise known as the Night Elf. Right, and it's a big thank you to Holy Stone for sending this to us. Right, okay, let's open this up and have a little look. Nice little sticky pad to the top. Then you've got the standard box ready to open it. Okay, so we'll push everything to one side. We'll look at all that in a minute. We'll look at the transmitter in a bit as well. What I really want to see for the second is this. Look at that. Really, really small, tiny whoop. I like it. I like the size of it. It's very plasticky. It feels like ABS plastic. You've got your two red propellers to the front, two black propellers to the back. You've got this really nice decorative finish to the front here. Just says Holy Stone at the front and it says Destroy at the back there. But it looks quite nice. The colour scheme works. So if we start off at the front, we have no camera with this. So all we have is this really nice domed front to the quadcopter. Working our way back, you'll see we have a little cutout here. That little cutout there is more decorative and also how to funnel this air coming straight off the two side flaps either side here and here. Then straight off the back of the quadcopter. Then straight towards the back, all you have is your socket here for your battery. So your batteries, with this you get three. They are 3.7 volts, 220 milliamp hour, and they should give you roughly 7 to 8 minutes of battery life for each battery that you have. And as I say, this pack comes with three. So you have the three there, which gives you ample flying time. So let's put those back in there so I don't lose them, because they are ridiculously small. Then underneath here you have your battery cage. That's where your battery just slots under. Be sure when you put it in and the cable comes to the back, so you've got easy access to plug into the socket. Then working our way towards the front even further there, we just have the bottom clip here and what looks like a little LED there as well, so it'll just shine quite bright when you plug the battery in. Now let's plug this battery in and see exactly what colour, if we've got any charge. I'm hoping there's going to be a minimal amount of charge inside this battery. Wow, that is ridiculous. Let's plug this in. So we've got green LEDs to the front, we've got red LEDs to the back. Let me just turn this light off for you to see. There we go. Right, that's not too bad. But what is your flying weight? So a lot of people have got restrictions in their area and you can't fly anything without registering it over 250 grams. Well, I think we all know this is going to be well under 250 grams. So the flying weight consists of the quadcopter as well as the battery, everything that you need in order to fly. Comes in at 23 grams. So a couple of things about that. This isn't going to be one to fly out in any sort of weather. If you've got any wind, don't fly it. It is going to be predominantly, I think, an indoor copter. I'm going to try and see if I can fly it outside if I have a nice day to fly it outside. If I have any wind over 2 miles an hour, I'm not going to be taking this out and flying it out. Now, you do have multiple features with this. You have a control range of 164 feet, charging time of between 40 to 60 minutes. The features are 1 key start and stop, 3D flips, emergency stops and 3 speed modes. You may be lucky enough to get away with the 3 speed modes and being able to fly this in winds of up to 2 to 3 miles per hour. But seriously folks, I don't even want to try, just in case we lose it. And this is the transmitter as well. So this is a lot different to the other Holy Stone transmitter that we saw. It's really nice, really slimline, quite compact, very light, and it feels nice. So you have a lot of buttons on here, but the buttons themselves are all, they all have a nice little picture next to them so that you can all see exactly what it is the button does. So of course, this copter has altitude hold, hence why the left analog stick just automatically recenters. You have your auto start and stop button at the bottom. You have what looks like headless mode here to the right. You have 3D flips on the right shoulder button. And then you have your speed modes 1 to 3 on the left shoulder button there as well. And that's it. That's all that you get for the button. You get an on and off button underneath. And obviously you have a little LED, notifying LED indicator there as well. So inside this accessory pack you get quite a lot of things. But one of the things you do get is a screwdriver. So I'm going to just take the screwdriver out of here, unscrew the back of this, so we can see exactly what batteries this transmitter takes. So this transmitter, I've got the feeling it's going to take some AAA batteries. Sorry about the hands, folks, for this. Right, let's just unscrew that. Come on. There we go. Screw is out. And yes, it's going to take AAA. 3 AAA batteries in total to power this transmitter. This transmitter does not allow USB charging of any sort, so you have got to ensure the batteries that go in are shop bought or fully charged before you go and take this out. A couple of other things in the accessory pack. You get a motor motor holder for when you're changing these propellers. You just slip in the side of this. See this little knot that's out of there? You just slip it in over the top of the propeller, and then that way it stops the propeller from rising up as you're taking it stops the motor from rising up as you take the propeller off. A couple of other things you get. You get instructions for use. Nice little manual inside here. As well as you get a couple of cards, extra battery life. Want longer battery life? Get it now. And also precautions, as well as like us on Facebook for free parts. Now this looks really good. Okay, so for a start, the manual is in colour. It's not too small. You can read the print. I'm sure you can see that. It details every single button that you've got inside there. It details how to fly, the trim that's needed. So if you want to perform trim, you can perform sideways trim by clicking and holding down the left button and moving the right analog stick. Same as a lot of Quadcopters. Also how the altitude hold function works. All in all, that looks quite nice. Now, as I said, there's no camera. It is a very bog standard drone. It's a very bog standard indoor-outdoor drone. But above all, it looks like it's going to be a great bit of fun. I like these little guys, these tiny whoops. We have a lot of fun with them. Hopefully this is going to be the same. Now this is quite unique in so much that you get your 3 batteries and 2 chargers. Look at that. That's quite neat. I really like the fact you get 2 of those. It's always bad when you wait in with 1 charger to charge 1 battery, and that's an hour gone. So you're taking 3 hours to charge 3 batteries. It obviously just takes so long. Right, all in all, that's not too bad. So far, I'm quite liking the look of this. I'm quite liking the pack that comes with. I think you get a lot of different accessories with it. Enough for you to actually get out there and fly. And that is what we're all wanting to do. So let me just tidy this up for a minute. Sorry about the packaging noises there, folks. So what do you get in this pack altogether? Well, you get the transmitter. Of course, it goes without saying, you get the quadcopter. Then you get your accessory bag. You get your screwdriver, which is included in the accessory bag, and you get your 3 batteries, 1 in the quad, 2 here. So that is everything that you get. So then, my friends, please join me in the next couple of days when we're going to be taking this guy out and putting him through his paces. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.